In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a white outline in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very quick effect, and it's a great way to make an image stand out more clearly on screen. A white outline can help separate your subject from the background, make graphics easier to see, and give your edit a cleaner, more polished look. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, you can do this in just a few simple actions. To begin, go ahead and locate your image inside your project. Make sure the image clip is already placed where you want it on the timeline, because that will make it much easier to preview the effect as you apply it. Once you've found the correct image, select it so you're ready to add the effect directly to that clip. From here, move over to the Effects section. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps a wide range of visual tools and presets that you can apply to clips in your timeline. If you don't immediately see the effect you need, don't worry. The fastest way to find it is by using the search bar inside the Effects panel. In the search field, type in outer stroke. As soon as it appears in the results, you'll know you've found the effect that creates the outline around your image. This effect is useful because it adds a clean border around the edges of the clip, which is exactly what you need for a white outline look. Next, click and drag the outer stroke effect directly onto your image clip in the timeline. Once you drop it onto the clip, the outline effect will be applied right away. At that point, your image should now have the white outline added to it. And that's it. That's the full process for adding a white outline in DaVinci Resolve. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big visual difference, especially if your image blends into the background or needs a little extra emphasis. If you don't notice the result immediately, make sure you drop the effect onto the correct image clip and that the clip is selected properly in your timeline. It also helps to view the clip in the preview window so you can confirm the outline has been applied. Now you know how to quickly add a white outline in DaVinci Resolve using the outer stroke effect.